Good evening. Tonight I'm doing my informative speech for Principles of Communication, COM 115. My name is Frank Withrow. My speech is Dream Bigger, Go Home. The purpose of this speech is to inform the. Trying to inform the audience that it's never too late to go and get a degree or to get an education. So my question is, at what age should you not try and get an education or to get a degree? Well, I believe this is a very personal question and only you could answer for yourself. Me, I answered mine and it was go back to school. I'm 45 years old when I decided to go back to school and get a degree in mechatronics. My course of study is mechatronics engineering. The thesis is that there are plenty of accomplishments that people have made throughout their lives, even later in life. I finally found what I wanted to do with the rest of my life at age 45. My job is why I decided to go back to college. I enjoy what I do. Just to give you a little background on my life right now, I'm an industrial electrician. I live in Georgia, and I travel all the time. I've been to 22 states and 2 different countries. I've been to Mexico, and I've been to Canada. A few of the states that I've been in is Tennessee, Texas, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, Florida, New Jersey, and I'm fixing to go to Maryland. One of the whole, so, working in the field with my tools every day is, and hardly ever coming home, is one of the reasons why I decided to go back to school. So my solution for the problem that I had was to get a mechatronics engineering degree. Mechatronics is figuring out how to make electrical and mechanical work together to accomplish a given task. That's the job that I do now. I'm an industrial automation electrician, and we make conveyors move. We make rack systems move. We do all kinds of things with motors and gears and proc switches and photo eyes and lasers and you name it, it's out there. So, what's wrong with working with my tools every day? There's nothing wrong with my tools. There's nothing wrong with working with my tools every day. But at some point in time, I need to work myself into the front office and away from working with my tools every day. So, I went back to school, and it was a hard decision to make. Being an electronics or a mechatronics engineer, not just electronics, is the marriage of electronics engineering and mechanical engineering. And you throw in a dash of PLC programming, and there you have it. That's what mechatronics engineering is all about. So, what was I thinking trying to get a degree at 45 years of age? It's kind of scary when you think about it. You haven't been in school for, I haven't been in a class setting for years. Probably, I'd say at least 15 years or more. So, I had to do something. I had to change my life. So I started looking at college classes and stuff like that. Just wanted to do something to kind of change it up a little bit. I have to do all my college work online because I travel so much, and I work a lot of hours. I figured that the online would be best for me because it's at my pace and it's challenging. It's not easy at all, but it's very challenging and it's very rewarding. Just to give you a little background, I've been doing electrical. I've been an electrician for 20 years. I started in 1997 with the United States Army as a strategic warfare intercept repair technician. I did that for 4 years, and then when I got out, I went to work for Morton Electric and Florida Industrial Electric. So, it's really all about timing and kind of knowing where you're at, taking stock on your life. I took stock, and I was ready to change it. So it's never too late, just to prove it. Some of the reasons I went back to college is I wanted to prove that I could do anything. I mean, I can do anything I set my mind to. It's my life, and it's what I want to do. I finally found something that I really enjoy, and that's making things move. And I know I want to get away from working with my tools so much, and more into designing the conveyor systems that we do. I mean, we're fixing to start doing a lot of robotics and a lot of robotic arms and stuff like that. So it's going to be really interesting to see where this company that I work for goes. So, in conclusion, I want to reiterate that it's never too late to get a degree, no matter what age you are. You should always strive to be your best. You should always try to be better. We all have room for improvement. We all have, things that we want to accomplish before the end. Push yourself. You'd be surprised what you can accomplish. Right now, I'm working 60, 70 hours a week, going to school, and I'm learning how to be a programmer and everything else also. So, if I can do it, anybody can do it. And just remember, go big or go home. Thanks. Have a good evening.